Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Zyxel WX5600 AX6000. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made for you. Basically, the WX5600 AX6000 is a high-speed Wi-Fi 6 mesh extender that connects to your main router and boosts signal to remove Wi-Fi dead zones. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the Zyxel WX5600 extender into power. Wait 2 minutes until power LED turns green. On your smartphone, tablet, or computer, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's default network, which will be named something like Zyxel_XXXX. Check the label on your device for the exact SSID name. Launch Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. In the address bar, type http://zyxl setup or http://192.168.1.2, alternate local IP. Press Enter to open the setup page. You will be asked to log in. Username is admin or password is 1234, or check the device label, it may vary. The Zyxel web setup wizard will now guide you. Click Start or Next to begin. The extender will scan for available Wi-Fi networks nearby. From the list of networks shown, select your home Wi-Fi router's network, SSID. Enter your Wi-Fi password when prompted. Optionally, you can keep the same SSID for the extender or create a different one like home Wi-Fi_EXT. Click Apply or Finish to save settings. The extender will restart and connect to your main router. Wait a couple of minutes for the LED to turn solid green or blue, indicating a successful connection. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.